I think we've showed one.
This doesn't help either.
Yeah, the fact that it's loose. So let's talk about basic settings when you're cutting tile and stuff like that. So you want it to be on a flat, level surface, like even your saws and everything? Yeah. Okay. So for the beginner, how is this? This is a slide cutter, but it's got, what, a wheel there? It's got that little leg that...
Boring wheel, a leg to pop it. This one also has this, which helps.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, that is nice. And then it's got this, yeah, it's got this bar in the middle, right?
That gives you the resistance for when you pop it.
Oh, damn. That is nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
And these things.
So what is this? What kind of slide cutter is this?
Monolith.
Monolith. And where did this one come from?